Good morning and happy Monday to you, my friends, and happy new year. It is a brand new year. We are in 2021, and I hope that everyone had a lovely vacation. So if everyone can please stand up, and remember, friends, that left is green and right is red, and which hand goes over your heart? Right hand facing the flag, and let's begin. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. All righty, friends, and of course, we have a brand new recitation, and today's recitation is for the month of January is Ladybug by Joan Walsh Anglin. And I'm going to read it, but as I read it, I need you to help me with circling any and all sight words that I read. Okay, so let's go ahead. I'm going to put it up here for right now. Okay, so that's Ladybug right there. Okay, and I'm going to read it. And we will circle all of our sight words. All right, so here we go. Ladybug, Joan Walsh Anglin. A small, A is a sight word. Gosh, and this marker doesn't work. Yay. What is going on here? I wonder if Sparky used up all my markers during vacation. A small speckled visitor. Okay, so speckled means dots. So our ladybug there has some dots. Wearing a there's the word A, crimson cape. Brighter than a cherry, smaller than a grape. There's A again. A polka dotted someone walking on my wall. A black hooded lady. And the reason it says black hooded is because a ladybug's head is black. A black hooded lady in's a sight word, there's the word A, scarlet shawl. And scarlet is a type of red, and a shawl it's like this, kind of like, let me see. You know how if your parents have, or your mom, I should say, has like those really big scarves, and they're kind of used kind of like a small little blanket, kind of, but not a real blanket. It's not very thick. So it's kind of a thin layer, sort of. And moms they'll wear it, especially like if they have a short sleeve top on, or thin strap dress. And if they're going to go out somewhere, they use a shawl to cover up the top part of their body because it's cold. Okay, so ask your moms if they have a shawl. I'm sure they do. All righty, friends, so that is our recitation. And don't forget that when we do recitation, our hands are either at our sides, in our pockets, or behind our backs, right? So with that being said, friends, let's go ahead and, okay, I know you're asking, Mrs. Hara, what are we learning this week? Well, this week, friends, we are learning about the solar system and astronauts. Okay, so here are here's our planets, but of course we start off with the sun, and then we have Mercury, Venus, Earth, this is where we live. Okay, then we have Mars, Jupiter, And we have Saturn, Uranus, and finally Neptune. Okay, and we'll learn more about that. You guys have a book for today. Also, tomorrow we'll do what is called a mnemonic, which means it's a type of memory skill that helps us remember certain things. So I'm going to teach you a mnemonic tomorrow. Okay, and then here are our astronauts. Okay, so we'll learn about astronauts this week. Friends, I have included some really cool astronaut videos. We're going to learn about astronauts Wednesday and Thursday. So you'll get to see some pretty cool things that astronauts do in space. I think you're going to enjoy those. Okay. All right, friends. So with that being said, let's go ahead. It is now time for morning meeting. Hold on. Wake up! I see everyone is like this. I know it's hard. It's hard. We've been gone. But you know what, friends? We got to hit the ground running. This is the third quarter. We got to bing, bang, boom these last two quarter, friends. All right? Okay, so here we go. Let's go ahead and do morning meeting. And remember that, let's see, the very, very last person that we had right before break for morning meeting was Mason. So today's student of the day is Mahi Patel. Come on down, Mahi. So if Mahi was here, Mahi would come on up. The very, very first thing Mahi would do is turn the clock to morning because we do not come to school in the afternoon. Then, of course, she would write her first and last name, but because Mahi isn't here, Mrs. Haro has to do that for her. Okay, so I'm going to write Mahi's name. Mahi Patel. All right, and then Mrs. Haro would give Mahi her Student of the Day sticker. And of course, I would give her a pointer and say, all righty, young lady, you are on. And Mahi would say, this here thing is called a calendar. And this is called a month. And what month are we in? January. And this here is called the year. And what year are we in? 2020. 2020, friends. Ay, ay, ay. 2020 has gone out the window. We are now in 2021. So that is something that we have to get used to. We have to retrain our brains because for the past few months we've said 2020. So we got to get used to doing that. All right. All righty, friends. If yesterday was Sunday, then that means that today is Monday, but we better double check. So here we go with Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. And how many days are in a week? 7 days in a week. And let's go ahead and recite our months of the year, beginning with January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. And remember, friends, we started school in August and we went all the way to December, to the end of the year. And now we are at the beginning of the year with the very, very first few months. Okay, so here we have January, February, March, April. May is the month that school ends. Okay, just so that you know that. Alrighty, friends, so it looks like we have a number day missing. Let's go ahead and count and see what it is. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, well, so far, let's see what kind of pattern we have. So far, we have A, B, B, but friends, we don't know if it will be A, B, B, C, or just A, B, B. We don't know. So let's look at number 4 to see if that will tell us what our pattern for the month of January will be. Ta-da! Here's number 4. And what shape is that? Yep, it is a rectangle. So let's see what kind of pattern we have. A, B, B, C. So it looks like we have an A, B, B, C pattern, but we'll know for sure tomorrow. All right, so let's go ahead and help Mahi write today's date, but we need to help her with the letters in the month. So we're going to start with a capital J, A, Danelian A, of course, friends, do not forget that monkey tail. Danelian N, Danelian U, Danelian A. Oh, lots of monkey tails in January, friends. R, and finally, of course, we need a monkey tail Y. January. And then, of course, I'm going to finger space. And what digit am I going to write? A 4, followed by a comma. And please give me the digits of the year. 2, 0, 2, 1. Oh. All right, so let's go ahead and read today's date together with Mahi. So here we go. Today's date is Monday. Oh, and you know what, friends? I am so sorry, but in Danelian writing, the uppercase J does not have the line. It just goes all the way up like this. Okay, so sorry about that. January 4th, 2021. I almost said 2020. So yes, with Mrs. Haro too, because I am old, it's going to take me a little bit to get used to that. All right, friends. So if the very, very last time we were here, we had been in school for 86 days. So what comes after 86? 87. And let's go ahead and draw out Mr. 10 and Mrs. 1s. And remember, you have to tell me when to stop. So here we go. 10, 20. Oh, friends, I need to hear you. 30, 40, 50, 60. Keep going. Okay. 70, 80. Okay, I'll do. Okay, Mrs. 1s. 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87. Okay, I will stop right there. All right, so now let's go ahead and graph Mr. 10s and Mrs. 1s on our days in school graph. So are we going to add anything to our 100s column? How about Mr. 10s? Well, yeah. So let's see what we have here. All right, friends. 4 plus 4 equals 8. That's great. So we're going to add a number 8 to our 10s column. And then in our Mrs. Ones column, let's see what we have. All right, so really, really quickly. Okay. 3 plus 3 equals 6, plus 1 more is 7. All right. It says 87. So let's see if our days in school tag matches. Do we have 8 Mr. 10s? 7 Mrs. 1s? So how many days have we been in school? 87. That's a whole lot of days, friends. All right, it is now time for our coin cup, coin cup, coin cup. And in our coin cup, we have some coins. And the very, very first coin we have is a penny. And a penny is worth 1 cent. And when we count pennies, we count them by what? Yep, we count them by ones, correct? And the second coin that we have is the dime. And a dime is worth? Okay, a dime is worth 10 cents. And when we count dimes, we count them by what? We count them by tens. And friends, which coin are we going to start counting with? The penny or the dime? Okay, the dime, but how come? The dime is worth more. Oh my gosh, friends, you know, that is just music to my ears to hear that you didn't forget what we have learned so far. So that is how Mrs. Haro is feeling. All right, guys, so let's go ahead. We're going to start off with our tens. And remember, when I switch coins, I'll hold up the coin so I know that, and you know that we have to switch our counting. So here we go. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Uh-oh, I just dropped that. 61, 62, 63, 63 cents. And friends, how would I write 63 cents? Okay, yep, a 6, a 3. Oh, that's a terrible 3. Okay, 63. Ah! Okay, yeah, you're right. Forgot the cent sign. And let's go ahead and double check to see that our coins on our math board match what's in our coin cup. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 61, 62, 63. So our coin cup and our meeting board coins match. Excellent. Let's go ahead and do our counting, friends, starting with, we've been gone for a while, so let's go ahead and count odds. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19, 21. And let's go ahead and count by fives. 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. Excellent. Counting by tens. 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Excellent. All righty, cheerleaders, please stand up and show me that energy. Come on, let's go. I know it's been a while for you to be sitting right there in front of that computer, so let's get that energy moving. Let's get our blood flowing. And guess what, friends? You do not have to jump for me anymore because Mrs. Haro is boot free. Yay! I am super duper excited, but I'm not going to jump super high and hurt my foot. But I get to jump today. All right, so cheerleaders, ready? ¿Listos? Here we go. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Who do we appreciate? Kindergartners, kindergartners, yay, kindergartners, woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Why, I'm so excited about that. Alrighty, friends, it is time for our mystery bag. Dun, dun, dun. So, today in our mystery bag, I put a number card. Now, I will give you some clues, and remember, you can use the number lines up here. You can use these number strips, okay? So listen to my clues to see if you can guess which number is in my mystery bag. So today's number is a number that is between 3 and 9. Okay, so it's between 3 and 9. It's an odd number. Okay, and it is not 5. Okay, so listen again. So today's number, it's between 3 and 9. It's an odd number. So remember, you have to start to look at the odd numbers over here on our strip. Okay. It is an odd number, but it is not, hold on guys, I want to make sure you can see it. Okay, it is not 5. When you think you know which number it is, I want you to raise your hand. Okay. On a count of 3, I want you to shout out the number. 1, 2, 3. Ah! I don't know, I heard 7. But really, really quickly, let's see. It says it's a number between 3 and 9. Okay, oh, I got to stretch my finger out. So it's a number between 3 and 9, and it is not 5. Ta-da! If you said number 7, please give yourselves a round of applause. Ooh, excellent. And if you didn't get it, friends, is that okay? Well, yeah. Because why do you come to kindergarten? To learn. All right, friends. So really, really quickly, let's look at our digital time. Our digital time reads 8 o'clock. Our analog clock reads 4 o'clock. And the red hand is the hour hand, and the blue hand is the minute hand. So we have to match the analog to the digital. So we are looking for 8 o'clock. So tell me when to stop. Okay, I'm going to go pretty fast. Oh, okay, I gotta go back. Okay, let's see. Hour hand is on 8 o'clock. Minute hand is on 12 o'clock. So let's see. Analog clock reads 8 o'clock. Digital clock reads 8 o'clock. They both match. Excellent. All right, friends, let's go ahead and look here at today's pattern. It looks like somebody left us a pattern but stopped. So we're going to start at 11, 13, 15. We're counting what? By odds. So 11, 13, 15. 17. Okay, go back. 11, 13, 15, 17. 19. Very good. Go back. 11, 13, 15, 17, 19. 20. 21. And remember, friends, I said that all odd numbers will always end in 1, 3, 5, 7, or 9, right? All righty, my friends. So I will see you guys in just a little bit. Let's see what I need you to bring to my session. Ooh, all right. So, friends, today we do have our math fact practice. So make sure that you bring your class fact practice, and I hope you guys have been practicing. All right, I will see you in just a little bit. Bye.